Alright, today I am going to be cooking ramen noodles with shrimp, okay? Alright, ramen noodles with shrimp. These are divined, deshelled, raw shrimp, and this is ramen noodles. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I am going to add the shrimp to my top ramen noodle cooker. Check the description part of the page for more information about the top ramen noodle cooker. And then I'm going to put in my ramen noodles, okay? I just broke them up a little bit like that. And then I'm going to take the ramen noodles out and place them like that, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna put the flavoring packet. I'm just going to go ahead and add this to it so the flavor goes all the way through the noodles. All right, and then I'm going to take water and I'm going to fill it to the line. All right, now I'm going to put it in the microwave, make sure the noodles get water sized. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for up to 4 minutes, put it on for 4 minutes, or until the shrimp reach safe eating conditions, okay? You're going to have to check to make sure they're at safe eating conditions. All right, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave. All right, after 4 minutes, I'm going to take it out. Now, when you do this, make sure you be careful because it's hot. And you are going to want to make sure that the shrimp is at the proper temperature for getting rid of all the bacteria and all this other stuff. All right, so I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to stir the noodles up a little bit. And I'm going to let it sit for about 1 minute, and then I'm going to chow down on it. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.